Hey guys, so my first video cut off, so this is going to be part 2, and we'll start back with irregular verb sentences in past perfect. So I was using the verb be, the irregular verb. The past participle is been. So let's go down and write our sentence. My friend Jose has been, present perfect, to Canada. Remember, when you write in present perfect about you, us, I, use I have been, I have organized. When we write about he or she, has been, has visited. So I want you to complete the sentences and the box. When you're finished with that, go back to Google Classroom. Also, please remember to click turn in this assignment so I can see that you're finished. Next, open up the Google Slides. It says, Let's Stay Positive ESL 2-3. So everyone in our class has access to the same document, to the same assignment. Okay, it's called Let's Stay Positive. So everyone is stuck at home, but we're definitely safe at home right now. And I'm sure we have all been, watching videos, watching the news, looking at funny pictures. So I want you to post something positive that you've seen. So number 1, find your name. So go over to the side and you click on the slides. So this is my post, Miss Aguiar's post. And then you can go down and find your slide of where you need to complete the assignment. Okay, go back to slide 1. So number 2, share a positive photo, video, or news article that you saw this week. So I saw a video on YouTube. So right now, I'm going to go into YouTube. And I'm going to paste the name of my video. And it's this first video right here. Coronavirus. Germans sing Bella Ciao from rooftops in solidarity with Italy. So I'll open this up. So you guys can watch the rest of the video later. So what I want to do, I want to copy the YouTube link, go back and find your slide. So where it says My Photo Video News Article, I am going to go to Insert, Video. I am going to paste my YouTube link here. I'm going to search. There's my video. Select it. And here it is. I can play it to make sure it works. So you guys can copy and paste or drag a photo, a video, or a news article into this space. So something that made you happy this week, something that made you laugh, something that made you smile, that you think could help someone in your class stay positive, or something funny that you want to share. So go back to slide 1. Now write 150 to 200 words. Use the present perfect. So guys, the present perfect, what I just taught you, what we were just talking about. So write about why you like the picture, video, or news article. Write about why you want other people to see it. Okay, so in this box, write 150 to 200 words. So with present perfect, I can start with, I have seen. So present perfect. I have seen many positive photos and videos this week, but I really loved this one. It is from a town in Germany. The people are sitting and singing, well, sitting on their roofs and singing Bello Ciao to support the people struggling in Italy. Oops, in Italy. So then I can continue, okay? And you want to write 150 to 200 words. So this is just a start to help you get started. Then number 4, so go back to number 4. So respond to 3 classmates' posts. Write something positive to them. Use the comment feature. So right here, this is add a comment. So I can comment to Christine, to Brian, to Milena, to Desmarlene. And you can do something like, hi, Miss Aguiar. I really liked watching your video too. It's cool because, and then you guys can write something more. So you're going to make a comment like this for 3 classmates. Okay, so those are your assignments. That is your work for this week. Again, feel free to please email me. You can text me on the Remind app. You can text me on my Google number, my Google Voice number. So yeah, feel free to reach out to me. Also, next week, I am also going to be live on Zoom, so you guys can also talk to me there. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon.